Good day everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Basic Mathematics. For today's video, we're gonna discuss all about the subtraction of polynomial. Subtraction of polynomial. A polynomial is a mathematical expression that consists of multiple terms. It's made up of variables and coefficient and a positive integers exponent. So this is the example of uh, polynomial. This is the leading coefficient, the exponent, the variable, the coefficient, variable, exponent, coefficient, variable, and exponent, invisible exponent to the power of 1, and our constant term. Just for example, if we have 3 cubed plus 5x squared plus 3x minus 6 quantity minus quantity 2x cubed minus 2x squared plus 5x plus 8. So first we need to do is we need to distribute by using distributive property. We need to just distribute this operation here, inside here, then we can come up this polynomial. So x times positive 2x squared cube is equals to negative 2x cube. Then negative times negative 4x cube is equals to positive 4x squared rather. So negative times positive 5x is equals to negative 5x. Then negative times negative 8 or positive 8 is equals to negative 8. So in this moment, we need to change the operation sign here from negative to positive. Then after that, we need to combine like terms because our operation here is already an addition. So we need to combine uh, like terms because we need to add two polynomials. Then x cubed plus negative x cubed 2x cubed is equals to negative x cubed. Then 5x squared plus 4x squared is equals to 9x squared. Then 3x plus negative 5x is equals to negative 2x. Then lastly, the constant, we need to add a negative 6 plus negative 8 is equals to negative or positive 2. And this is now our final answer. Negative x cubed plus 9x squared minus 2x plus 2. Then let's try another example. If we have x squared plus 5x cubed plus 3x minus x minus 2x to the power of 4 and minus 4x to the power of 2 plus 5x plus 8. So first we need to do is we need to distribute by using distributive property from positive to negative, then from negative to positive because negative times negative is positive, then from positive to negative because positive is equals to negative, then negative times positive is equals to negative. Then after that we need to change the sign here from negative to positive because we already distribute the negative sign the, inside her polynomial here inside this expression, so that we need to combine like terms. And since negative 2x cubed don't have the same term, we get this here. Put that here, or we need to bring down because it don't have the same term. Then 5x cubed don't have the same term again, so bring down 5x cubed. Then x squared and 4x squared is the same term, so we need to combine like that term. So 4x squared plus x squared is equals to 5x squared. Then x plus negative 5x is equals to 2x, negative 2x. Then lastly, negative 6 plus negative 8 is equals to negative 14. And that's all for this video, guys. I hope you learned something from me. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.